I'm going to show you one of the most easiest ways of doing your buns and bangs. Okay, so we're not going to use no crochet, we're not going to use clipping, so just keep it here and see how we're going to achieve this hairstyle. Hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So right about now, I'm just applying Sofnfree Gel. I started off by spraying my hair using a mixture of leave-in treatment and water, okay, just to give me some easier time when it comes to blending in the gel into my natural hair, because again we didn't get to blow dry the hair. Okay, so I'm going to be using Sofnfree Gel alongside my Bamsi Wax. If you're just bumping onto this channel for the very first time, welcome. I do create hair tutorials, so if you are someone who wants to know how to do your own hair the comfort of your home, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So guys, I left my hair to dry for about 30 minutes as I was doing my makeup. So right about now, I'm going to attach this extension onto my natural hair band. So the extension that I'm using is Brazilian Wool. I made these curls from Brazilian Wool, and I'm going to leave the video of how I did that video a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to leave it onto my description box. If you want to know how to make curls using Brazilian Wool, then you can just go ahead and check it out. Okay, right about now, I'm just securing my band just to make sure that it is nice, it doesn't move and stuff like that. And then after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and do my bangs, of which you guys are going to see in a few. And this should be one of the most easiest ways to do your bangs. So if you don't know how to, just keep on watching and see exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking some few pieces of this extension and I'm placing them literally in front of my face, just like you guys can see in the video. Okay, and then after that, I'll just go ahead and take my bobby pin and I'm going to use it to secure the hair so that it doesn't move. Okay, because you want it to be in position so that you can get that bang situation going on. And then once I'm done, I'll put the rest of the hair into a bun, of which you guys are going to see in a few. I'm really hoping that you've learned a thing or two, and again, if you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section down below. Again, just to remind you, if you've watched this video till this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. Stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. Okay, so once I'm done with doing my bun, I'll just go ahead and take my pair of scissors and I'm going to use it to trim out the hair until I get that perfect shape that I want. So I'm going to trim right above, slightly above my eyebrows. With my Sofnfree Gel, I'll use it to further define my curls. And that will be all for today's video. Really, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comment section. So this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. I on our love.